their efficiency and ethics in business operations or achieving goals. They arise from industry's standards, regulations, successful case, or ongoing innovation, setting benchmarks for quality and improvements. So, sa regulatory compliance is about adhering to laws and regulations set by governing bodies with an ensure legal conformity. Um, the involves meeting the minimum legal requirements to avoid penalties and maintain integrity within the industry. And sa best practice, um, they are proven methods or strategies known for their efficiency and ethical approach in achieving business goals. And they help business excel beyond mere compliance by fostering continuous and improvement. So, sunod naman po sa overview of relevant regulation and compliance requirements. This overview provides business with essential guidelines on legal compliance, covering regulation related to operations, employment, taxation, and industry-specific standards. It emphasizes the importance of adhering to these rules to avoid legal repercussions, ensure business continuity, and maintain trust and stakeholders. Business are advi- Businesses are advised to regular review and update their practice to align with evolving laws and standards. Seek legal counsel when need and implement robust compliance program to mi- mitigate risk effectively. So, the main emphasis is the significance of the following this regulation. So, ito po yun. Ito po yung tatlo. So, first po is yung regulatory coverage. It encompasses a broad spectrum of regulation that affect businesses, including those related to how they operate, manage their workforce, handle taxes, and adhere to industry-specific standards. Ang next naman is yung importance of compliance. It underscores why compliance is crucial for businesses. By adhering to legal requirements, companies can avoid legal penalties, maintain business operation without interruptions, and receive the trust of stakeholders such as customers, vendors, and regulator authorities. And the last po is yung continuous review and update. The overview advise businesses to periodical, periodically review and update their practice in the line with changed laws and standards. This proactive approach ensure so second is training programs. These are structured educational initiatives designed to equip employees with the knowledge, skills, and awareness necessary to perform their roles effectively and in accordance with organizational policies and regulatory requirements. And yung pangatlo is continuous monitoring. This involves ongoing surveillance and evaluation of process activities and performance metrics with an organization to identify potential compliance gaps and deviation from established standards or emerging risks. So sa clear policies, these provide explicit guidelines on compliance, ethics, data security, and safety to ensure consistency and mitigate mitigate risk with the organization. Sa training program naman, these educate employees on regulation, company policies, and best practice, empowering them to recognize risk and fulfill their roles effectively. Sa continuous monitoring, allowing for promote correctively action to maintain kung action to maintain regulatory adherence and mitigate risk. And the last naman po is yung case studies or examples illustrating successful practice and lesson learned. Case studies are example illustrating successfully practice and lessons learned are real-world examples that showcase effective strategies, innovative solution, and valuable insight gained from specific experience or project. These case studies often highlight. So first is successful practice. They demonstrated how organizations have implemented best practice, innovate approach or strategy initiatives to achieve specific goals or overcome challenge. These practice could relate to areas such as operation efficiency, customer satisfaction, and product development or market expansion. Uh, so these example organizations have implemented best practice. Uh, how to comply, improve operation efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction and develop new products or expand into a new market. And the second is, excuse me, they provide lesson learned. They provide valuable insight into what worked well, what did, and they takeaways from experience. Lesson learned may include pitfalls to avoid, unexpected challenge encountered, or adjustment made along the way to achieve success. These insights help inform future decision making and improve process with the organization. So, thank you po.